Welcome back, everybody. February 22nd? 22nd. I think it's the 22nd. It is 91 degrees. Hottest day of the year? I think today is hotter than any day I had last year. Except for when we were in Florida, maybe? I don't know. 91 degrees and it's February 22nd. So what does August and June, July, and August look like in this state? So welcome back to the great state of Texas. I'm on a road. I don't know where I found this road, but it's supposed to be a good motorcycle road. 1863, maybe? We'll see. It's a road. I mean, I had some elevation change, right? We got some lefts and some rights. I mean, I didn't take highway to get here. That was fun. It was like 1604 to 35 north to some other road. Boom, now here we are. Man, dang, shoot. So, yeah, the sun is literally going to be in the camera, so who knows what this is going to look like. Probably washed out because I don't even have a polarizing lens for the front of this thing to help with that glare. So yeah, this is like the first road that I planned before I just went. I just got on the road and hit that road and hit this road, and then I got to where I thought I was going to be, and I said find my way home, and I went home. So we'll see. I'm already starting to lose my voice because of the heat, and I just started this. Quite lovely, huh? But I mean, look how green it is down here. February. This is February, and it is green. Everything's green. Green, green, green. I mean, there's some stuff that's not flowered or bloomed, but so like every day. I'm still trying to lose weight, right? So I'm focused on losing weight and being the best person that I can be. So every day after I eat, today I had a turkey wrap and a salad. I went for a walk, and I don't know where I was going with this, but yeah, I went for a walk. So there we go. Being the best person I can be. Motorcycle road. This is a dry creek right here. Yeah, see. So I'm shocked at, well, I mean, there's been a lot of rain down here, and like a lot of yards are still kind of dormant, but out here it is very green. And you know, we're gonna have to I'm gonna have to deal with traffic now. I'm telling you, where I lived was incredible when it came to roads. Yeah, so the creek just goes right over the road, and then they put that thing up that says 1 foot, 2 foot, 5 foot. Oh yeah, you're in a skidoo. Yeah. Okay. Set this cruise. I need to stand up. That's why I love these floorboards. This is gonna hurt. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, bah. Yeah, so these floorboards allow me to stand up, and I have to stand up at times. And usually when I stand up, I set the cruise. And that way I don't have to worry about the cruise, or, you know, if I give it too much input and the thing takes off on me and I fall backwards, or if I don't roll on enough, or, you know, anything happens, I don't want to come off the spider. I just need to stand up and stretch out my back and hips. Craft beer, bakery, what else did I see? Whole bunch of something. So I guess this is, I guess, hill country. I'm not quite sure where hill country is. I guess this is it. It's pretty out here. So everything's different, you know? I don't have this where I live, but I don't also have a line of traffic usually in front of me. I guess where I lived, I don't live there anymore. I've been in Texas for a handful of weeks, and you know, I'm just I'm enjoying the warm weather. What sucks is I don't have a swimming pool in my backyard, and all I want to do, you know, because it's 90 degrees, wouldn't it be wonderful just to hop in a swimming pool in February? Palm trees. Yep, we got some palm trees. Never thought I'd say that. And I'm looking I still, you know, I ride, and I look down all these little side roads to see, you know, hey, is that a nice ride or a nice road to ride? But like I said, you know, this is my first big ride. Getting back is gonna be really fun. It's gonna take me at least an hour of straight traffic, and who knows what the traffic's gonna look like by the time I'm done with this road. Need air, people. I need air. And like a dummy, I brought 0 water with me. So when I get back to the house, it is going to be, yeah, 1863. It's going to be drinking a ton of water to get rehydrated. And I have not got my fiance on the Spider yet. Well, she sat on it, and that's about it. And I think that's about where we're going to leave it for now. I think a lot of these rides are just going to be me. They're going to be after work. Don't tell anybody, but... And I really don't know what I'm supposed to work, to be honest with you. So now I'm in Central Time, so my office works off of Eastern Time. So I go in at 7 and I get off at 3:30, and my fiance doesn't get home until a lot later than that. So I have time after work to go on some rides and to explore. The only problem is that's a lot of traffic, because there's a lot of people that live in San Antonio, and it's warm. Maybe I'll get some sun. I really don't like this truck doing like 0 miles per hour. Okay, what we got here? What did I say? I'm on 18 something? I guess we go straight. $13.09 Farm Road, but it's Farm to Market Road. I don't know. It's a road, people. It's a road. That's a big Tahoe. Then you go, and then you go. And then we go. Road may flood. It cracks me up on all these, like, literally the creek runs right over the road. I have a video, like the first time out. I just edited it yesterday. I'm gonna have it up for this weekend. And I'm pretty live, to be honest with you. Yeah, the creeks, they just go right over the road. And I came into this one just a little too hot, and of course hydroplaned, and the Spider kind of did its little, it's funny because like it picks up and then it goes a little sideways. I've hydroplaned enough. But yeah, and then it just sets right back down, and away you go. You kind of do a little shaky shake. All the rocks. Here's Texas. Hey man, dang, Texas. But I'm very grateful to be in the great state of Texas. I'm not gonna lie. I might be making fun of it here and there, you know, like man dang, you know. But I'm very thankful. Why are we only doing 50 miles per hour, people? What's the speed limit? That truck sucks. Has anybody caught a speed limit sign? I don't mind going slow, but this is getting ridiculous. Ridiculous. There goes a baby Porsche, and there's a whole bunch of cacti, cactus sticking to your butt if you fall on them. See, there's more. You might see those a little better. All right, people. We need to get busy here and do some passing. Oh, look at this. Hill country. Here we go. And of course, hit our brakes. Going too fast, people. I really went around this dude. Not this guy in front of me, but this truck in front of everybody else. It's just, it's setting the pace, and it's really, 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 really slow. You see that raging river? There's a little something. There's a hill. Maybe a little she shed or a little cabin or something. I don't know if I would want to live there. Here's another one of these raging rivers. It's raging, people. So I can't pass. I'm gonna let everybody go. Yeah, this is I guess hill country. This is reminiscent of southern Ohio, about the same size hills. I can dig this. So this is the area that I'm gonna have to start to ride in and just, you know, get familiar with all the roads and you know, hill country. I'm excited. I'm very excited. So hey, if you like the ramblings today from some fat guy in San Antonio, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road.